Union Minister of Law and Justice Kiren Rijiju on Saturday informed that the centre has decided to remove all obsolete laws from the statute books. Talking to reporters in Shillong, Rijiju said that laws are meant to bring something good for the common citizens, stating that the government wanted to make justice delivery mechanism faster. He observed that all those unnecessary laws which were enacted a long time back and which do not have any relevance in today's time do not deserve to be in the statute books. He further informed that the centre had already removed more than 1,500 laws.
We have decided to remove all the obsolete laws, all archaic laws from the statute books. Unnecessary laws are a burden for the common man. Unnecessary laws which were enacted long time back, which do not have any relevance in today's time, do not deserve to be in the statute books. So we have already removed more than 1,500 laws. In the coming winter session of the Parliament, I am also getting ready to introduce many more repealment acts in the Parliament.
Union Minister of Law and